Guys, I want to show you how you can install the VANTOOL hydraulic 1/4 inch hydraulic crimps. Example, you have the hose, solution hose. Just cut the length you want. Example, I cut this one. I'm going to use this grinder with the wheel cutler. Okay, so when you cut, alright, when you cut that done, so when you cut that and you measure, example, you see both one I haven't cut, so you measure 3/4 like that. All right, I use a marker and mark 3/4, but I use the blade. I just blade up, just make a little smaller so you can fit. Cut. So this end, this is the stainless steel 4, so I put the anti-freeze, so that means you can reuse it many times. So many times you want. So at first you use that part, you put in there. But the trick one is this part you have to turn reverse clockwise. So example, I'm going to use something. I normally have the little hose. I hold it. Make sure you see that mark. I've been marked. That's to the 3/4. Make sure you have you tight backward, right? So basically, I use a drill reverse in 11/16. All right. Slowly, do slowly. Do slowly. All right. You can see I reached to that point, right? You see that mark? Cut I mark exactly where I need it. Now, all you have to put this in there. And when you put it in there, you tight. You can use the wrench, or you can use this on the drill. This is the, let's see, 10/16 or number 15. So very simple. So make sure something go in first. Then you can, when you tight to this, that's it tight. All right. So I use this. You push it and tight, or when you got grab with some thread in there, you can use this, or you can use this. See? So that's how you make a hydraulic stainless steel connector. We do sell this on our website. Go to the accessory page. You click the VANTOOL 1/4 inch hose. Crimps, it's called crimps hydraulic. This is stainless steel 304, so this is very high quality. We have about 5,000 in stock. We sell it at $14, guys. So, but before we ship, we rub the anti-freeze here, so because the stainless steel when we tight, they have a heat when they hot, so they normally they lock. So when I put an anti-freeze, so it's not gonna lock. So it's very easy. So one this turn in, and I use a viper to hold it, and I just use the drill. I change to this. I go like that. I put straight in. But this one you have to turn with like a normal screw, with the clockwise. This one against the clockwise. This one with the clockwise. Okay. So, but I have to get the hold the viper to hold this. So when you tight slowly. When you get reach to that little, you use the wrench, or use this to tight by hand. It's better than you use that screw. So when it's that tight to there, when that to there, that's done. So you can put a quick connector, 1/4 inch NPT, male or female on that. All right, guys. So I will post it on our VANTOOL YouTube, so you can take a look too. All right, thank you.